Man, what's up, man? So I'm in Tennessee this weekend, Mother's Day. Surprised my mom for Mother's Day. You know, you too. Shit, just had to pop out. We just got a new dirt bike. It might last us a month. I don't know. The way we done wrecked it 4 times. We ain't had it but 4 hours, so we'll see. It's a pit bike, so it's not an expensive dirt bike. But nah, you wanna say what's up? Yeah. So man, it feels good out here though. I'm gonna jump in this water though. Hey, oh. Oh shit, bless me. But yeah, let's see what this nigga. Alright, pop it up. What? Pop it up. Nigga scared of the engine though. Tell you to get his shit together. But yeah, man. RW James back with another one. That's RW Gage. Ooh, hold on. Oh shit. Damn, I think the pilot getting to me. Okay. He's scared of that engine, bro. I'm gonna get back to him. Man, came to Tennessee for the week. Can't beat this, I ain't gonna lie. Here, jump it. Scary nigga. Here, Papa Willie. Papa Willie. Let's see if this nigga can Willie. Hold on. What's up, YouTube? So this morning, I'm back in my hometown, Johnson City, Tennessee. You know what I'm saying? I'm on a bike ride with my mother. Trying to dust me right now. Yeah. Oh. Hold on. Yeah. So I think we might ride. Then we got it for 2 hours, and I'm going golfing today. My homeboys might be mad at me because I kind of extended it too long. We're supposed to go golfing at 11:30. It's 10:15 right now. But today should be a very eventful day. And we're gonna try to close this deal today. We ain't gonna try, we're closing the deal today. So, you know, be in tune with that. But yeah, man, this is Tweetsie Trail, Johnson City, Tennessee. You guys should come check it out, bro. I'm not gonna lie. It's a beautiful scenic drive, lovely drive. And if you got family in the area, or if you just come visit, it's a good place to go with your family, you know, with your mother, with your kids, something like that. Kind of see the trail, and it may be loud right here. I'm not too sure if it is loud. I do apologize for the inconvenience, but I will tap back in with you guys once we get to like some better views and stuff like that. Morning. And I just feel a raindrop. A little rough right here. Oh, and I think we're coming up on like this little water spot. I'm gonna show y'all. Let's see. Like a little rest area. I think it just describes like what's on the Tweetsie Trail. I ain't gonna stay on this too long. I'm just kind of give you a little overview. Got the mountains in the background. So Tweetsie Trail. So we are right here. This is where I'm from. Like, this is where I originated at. Right here. That's my area. And we headed down to Elizabeth. We probably go 5-6 miles. Let's see. Story of the Tweetsie. Okay. Right on the street. That's where Al Capone used to move that work through. Not gonna lie to you. Y'all know who Al Capone is. If you don't, I don't know if he was raised properly. Nah, I'm just playing. But if you don't know who he is, you should look him up. One of America's top gangsters. Oh no, you're about to be in the video. Dr. Ralph Van Brockman. Okay, he died. Okay, rest in peace. You're in the video.
Hey.
See, these are the bikes we had rented. Little cool cruisers, not too crazy. This is Cranberry Furnace Company, Corey. I think I said that right. So I guess that's where we're at right now. Cool little vibe. Cool little vibe. Alright, I'll tap back in with y'all in a minute. I got the river. Y'all see that river right there? River. Got a little river action going on. Okay, got a little rock slide going on. That's nice. You can walk down to the river. I'm moving right now. I'm not going about 80 miles per hour right now. Can't even break the stride for y'all right now. We got here a little prairie field. Private property. That makes me want to go money. What about y'all? But that's how I am. I see private. I like to inspect. If you know what I mean. Where the fuck did they just come from? Oh, we have stragglers. We have stragglers. I don't know what they were doing up there. Okay. I don't know where they can. I guess the park. 3.8 miles. The thing is, have y'all noticed we've been downhill this whole time? I mean, I guess I get what I'm trying to say. The way back is nothing but uphill. Oh, and we got horses. We got stallions. We have stallions. Yeah, man, we have a headstone right here. Oops. Stallion real quick. I got a better view. I'll get back beside. Alright, I'm gonna get y'all this river. I gotta see it. Let my mother take a break. She's trying to fly on me. I'm gonna lie. We just now entered Elizabeth. Now we're deep in cyclone territory. Let's see what market we're at right here, coming up on the market. I'll show you. Does that say 5? Does that say 5? That says 5. Lucky 5. Lucky 5. That's the main road over there. They only got one main road. It's off Mod Cities. That's a small. It's Elizabeth and really not a city. It's a town. But call it what you want to call it. I don't call it a city. It's a town. It's around the town of Johnson City. But you know. This is the 6 mile marker. saying? Coming up on Elizabeth High School. Cyclone territory for there, as you can see. Not too crazy, but this is the only main road. Like literally. One way in, one way out. Nothing more, nothing less. But it's cool though. Got your Medicare, can you see? Some Medicare. Wish y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and I get my money up on YouTube. I'm gonna buy a better camera, so I ain't gotta just turn it like this. But to the end, I plug it out like this. Shit, them bro, stop. Fuck time about. Run all the stop signs. Fuck time about. Waffle House, Pizza Inn, Subway, GameStop. Nothing too shabby. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, in the city, Bojangles, Applebee's, Pizza Inn. About all you gonna get from down here, pals. Y'all don't know nothing about no pals. Family dentistry. Oh, hold on, I'll show you. But yeah, riding. Turn out the CVS. We're about 6 point. What's your watch at?
5.18 miles.
But plus one, because you started at 1 mile. So 6.2 miles for the day. We're about to do another 6.2 back, so that's about 12.4. She's trying to get a head start. I ain't tripping though. But yeah, now we headed back. I got some spots I ain't show y'all on there, so I'm gonna show y'all when I get on there. Oh, but yeah, I got you. Now we headed back. What did I tell you? Nothing but up here. How you feeling back there?
Good.
Homeboys probably like, damn, where James at? We suck on the tweets, I ain't gonna lie. They already at the Pine. They're at Pine. Slow down. We golfing at Pine Oaks golf course today. My homeboy Briar, Keith, and Malik. We showed them niggas how to golf. I ain't gonna lie. A lot of people feel like they know how to, golf until they golf. Somebody knows what they're doing. So I just plan on giving out lessons today. Handing out ass whoopings, stuff like that. And they're gonna have about 3 holes on me. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take the losing bracket already. Whoever got the worst score, I'm gonna take it from them. And I'm gonna get them an ace. You're doing the best one. And I'm gonna show them kind of how you're supposed to maneuver on a golf course when it comes to excellence, focus, creativity, and how we're gonna make our shots. All that cool shit. Yeah. My name is Mr. Brady. I'm a foreman at everything I do. I'm not gonna lie. Jack of all trades. So run stop signs. Like, I literally do everything. Like run stop signs. Like everything that you can think of. Ooh. Pick it up here, might begin to. It's beautiful. Damn, look at my hometown. Cruising though. I'm gonna get back with y'all when I get to the golf course though. See him get aggravated. How you doing? Pretty good, pretty good. Y'all enjoy your day. I'm all over the road. Got a fire going on. Just some real old Tennessee stuff right here. The trail, flowers, got the people. Oh, I'm going to get going. Oh, yeah, we got about 2 more miles left. Bridge over the highway. We got about 0.4 miles left, then we back at the start. Woo! Good day. I'm finna show niggas how to golf real quick. Okay. Oh my God. He macked it.
You got off on that one though.
Damn.
I lost your shit. You got off on that one.
Yeah, I got that on video for you.
You got that one on video?
Yeah.
You
Damn.
got off on that
I got a
one.
lot to live up to. You been out here, haven't you?
No, that's the best swing I've had all day. You can ask them. I just been.
When I go, cut the cameras.
I got you. I'm just making a YouTube video. Nah, for real.
Cut the cameras.
Nah, for real. I don't want to have to get on nigga ass because your video.
Nah.
Bro, you could just tell it's your first time golfing, bro.
Damn.
Black and shit.
And that's a straight shot too. You got caught in the rain, bro. What the fuck is this, my nigga? Hey, here, video me real quick. You just gotta hold it like that because it won't switch. This is only my third hit right here. I ain't even got all my clubs.
The 5-iron and a driver.
5-iron to put with.
There you go. That's what's up. So
Here we go. Shout out my boy B Frank.
yeah.
Damn. He's swinging too hard, girl. What you say? Nah, it looked good from the camera. I ain't gonna lie. Could have been a hole in one. See, yeah, he getting too prepared. My nigga too strong.
I think I'm too strong to play golf.
Shit, RW gets spent everywhere. Niggas touch down that. Damn. All right, W. Damn. It's my nigga third shot.
For the Posky.
What he said?
Sorry.
If you get this one, we still gonna count it. Come on.
Yeah, man, we just gonna say it for the Posky.
Oh, bro. Pine Oaks. Y'all see the RW over there? Had a stamp in the sandbox. Oh, shit.
Whoa!
Damn.
I'm getting closer though.
Yeah. I mean, 3. You know what I'm saying? You can get 3 on.
This is putt, man. And I missed it.
Formation, boy.
And I missed it, man. Smooth. That's like a triple bogey, nigga.
Dead ass. Got it. Mm-hmm. Where you went? Oh, he all the way over there.
That's so playable. I'll play that shit.
Rained out. Come in here. Pool table. So, I'm gonna let y'all know what the plan is after this. It's a little rainy, so I'm just gonna go from here.